Hello, and welcome to the self-paced training on graphic organizers. The objectives for this lesson are that participants will be able to organize ideas from a paragraph in different types of graphic organizers. So, if you'd like instructions on how to use Pear Deck, you can click the black box here and it will open a new video. I'm not going to do that right now, though. How do you stay organized? How do I stay organized? Well, sometimes while I'm writing, I make notes. Maybe I draw pictures. Sometimes I do mind maps. So graphic organizers. Graphic organizers are a useful tool to help you organize ideas. They combine words and shapes to form a picture of an idea. Look at the example below. Lots of rain and then floods. The relationship is communicated clearly by separating the cause and effect, and the arrow shows the direction of the action. Graphic organizers are proven to help people visualize and understand a concept better. When you complete a graphic organizer, you demonstrate your understanding of a concept. It shows that you have understood what you read. So words, notes, confusion, details, ideas, thoughts, quotes, graphic organizer, clear understanding. Steps in a process. This type of graphic organizer is useful when you are learning how to do something. It can be used when you're reading about research methods. In this example, you can see the steps are clearly labeled. The arrows indicate the order of the steps. It is very simple. It is a good idea to break down complex ideas into simple ones when completing graphic organizers. Okay, so you can try it yourself. Organize the steps in the graphic organizer. Use the drawing tool. Okay. For first, choose college engineering students. Divide participants into control and experimental groups. Control group receives traditional instructions. Experimental group did hands-on learning. Tested both groups. Analyzed our results. Okay, like that. So choose participants, divide participants into control and experimental groups. Teach control groups traditionally, teach experimental groups with hands-on learning, test both groups in the same way, analyze results. Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a type of graphic organizer used to compare two things. It can be useful when you are learning about two similar topics or comparing two articles in the same topic. In this example, you can see that each circle contains facts about birds and mammals. The place that the circles overlap in the middle contains information that applies to both groups. Okay, so we have teachers, professors, both. Educating people. Teaches young children and adolescents. adolescents must have a degree or license in teaching. Do not need a degree in education. Must know their content areas. Okay. Good. Concept map. A concept map is used to illustrate complex relationships between ideas. Concept maps can be useful when comparing multiple texts on a single topic. In this example, each idea is stored in its own circle. The circles are then connected to each other using lines. The lines indicate a relationship between the ideas. This is a very simple example of a concept map. More complex concept maps can include different shapes, colors, and line patterns to illustrate different types of relationships between topics. Organize the ideas in the paragraph below in the graphic organizer. Use the drawing tool in Pear Deck to fill in each circle. In the English language, every sentence is broken down into two parts. So the subject and the predicate. The subject is generally a noun phrase, noun, articles, adjectives. The predicate of the sentence starts with a verb. We'll put that here. It may also contain prepositional phrases, nouns, and adjectives. Awesome. Graphic organizers are a great tool to use when reading. They are also helpful as a pre-writing tool. For example, you could map out your main ideas with all their supporting details in a graphic organizer. Main idea, supporting detail, supporting detail, supporting detail. Okay, which type of graphic organizer will be most useful for you as you practice active reading? Probably concept map. Why will that particular graphic organizer be useful for you? Can be used to organize ideas in different ways. So I think a concept map, you can kind of vary and change it and use it for a lot of different things. Okay, how easy, difficult was this training? I'll put neutral. How satisfied was I with this training? Neutral. The end. Okay. And these are the resources. Okay, so thank you very much, and bye-bye.